In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to another broker in TradingView. Connecting your broker directly to TradingView lets you place trades from the chart, manage positions in real time, and streamline your workflow. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open TradingView and go to any chart you want to use. Look toward the upper right area of the chart where the trading panel usually appears. You'll see an option related to trading, often showing your current broker connection or a trading icon. Next to that, there's a small arrow pointing down. Click on that arrow. This opens a menu where you can manage your existing broker connection and add new ones. Once that menu is open, look for the option that says Connect Another Broker, and click it. This is the entry point for linking a new broker account to your TradingView profile. If this is your first time doing it, don't worry. TradingView will guide you through the process, and you can always cancel if you change your mind. After clicking Connect Another Broker, a list of supported brokers will appear. Take a moment to scroll through and find the broker you actually trade with. Make sure you select the correct entity or region if your broker has multiple versions. When you see your broker's name, click on it to start the connection process. If your broker isn't listed, that simply means TradingView doesn't support a direct connection for that provider yet, and you won't be able to complete this flow for that account. Once you've selected your broker, TradingView will display on-screen prompts to finish the setup. These prompts usually include a login window, where you sign in with your broker account credentials, and sometimes an authorization page, where you grant TradingView permission to access your trading account. Read each message carefully and follow what it says on screen. This may involve confirming your account, approving access, or passing two-factor authentication if your broker requires it. When you complete those steps, TradingView will link your account and you should see your broker connected in the trading panel. From there, you'll be able to place orders, monitor positions, and manage trades directly from the chart using that newly connected broker. That's all you need to do to connect another broker in TradingView. Open the trading menu, choose Connect Another Broker, pick your broker from the list, and follow the on-screen instructions until the connection is confirmed.